You know that feeling when you're signing up for a new bank account and you see the word free, but in the back of your mind, you know there's a catch? What if I told you that with Vivid, that catch might not be what you think? Vivid is a neobank that's been making waves, and one of its biggest selling points is its standard account, which is advertised as being free. On the surface, this sounds great. No monthly fees, no subscription charges, a free debit card, and a mobile app that lets you manage your money. But as with anything, the devil is in the details, and understanding those details is crucial to figuring out if Vivid is truly free for you. So let's break it down. Yes, the Vivid standard account is free, and it comes with some pretty awesome features. You get a German bank account with a SEPA-eligible IBAN, which is a big plus for anyone living in the EU. You can set up pockets to organize your money and budget for different goals, and you can even hold up to 40 different currencies within those pockets. The app is sleek, the interface is user-friendly, and you can make fee-free payments and transfers. But here's where the nuance comes in. Vivid's free standard account is contingent on certain conditions. If you don't use your account at all, you might get hit with a monthly maintenance fee. We're talking a small fee for inactive accounts, so it's a good idea to make sure you're using your card or making a transaction at least once a month. The other thing to consider is the limits on some of the free services. For example, with the standard account, you get a certain amount of free cash withdrawals per month. Go over that limit, and you'll start seeing fees. And then there are the premium plans. Vivid offers a Plus and a Prime account, which are definitely not free. The Plus account is a paid subscription that gives you more features, like more pockets with separate IBANs, a higher monthly cashback limit, and a bigger allowance for free cash withdrawals. The Prime account, as you can probably guess, takes everything up another notch with even more benefits, including a much higher free ATM withdrawal limit and enhanced cashback offers. These paid plans are great for power users who want to get the most out of the platform, but they are a clear departure from the free standard account. So, is Vivid free? The answer is yes, but with asterisks. The standard account is free, but you need to be an active user. You also have to be mindful of the limits on things like cash withdrawals. If you're a casual user who primarily uses the account for digital payments and budgeting, the free plan is likely more than enough and offers a ton of value. But if you're someone who needs more advanced features, wants a higher withdrawal limit, or plans on using the account extensively for investing and trading, you might find yourself needing to upgrade to a paid plan. Ultimately, Vivid is a great example of a freemium model done right. They give you a fully functional, genuinely useful free account, and if you like what you see and want more, they have premium options ready for you. So, while it's not free in the sense of being completely without any possible costs, the Vivid standard account is an excellent way to get a powerful digital banking experience without a monthly subscription. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.